Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope all of you are fine. This is Zulfiqar Ali, lecturer in English, and you are watching my YouTube channel Zulfiqar Sianch. Today this is our speaking class. So we will take a situation where we can use English as a practice. Begin. Our topic is our family. It is the most common questions you are often asked in your classroom by your teacher, by any principal, or it may be asked by your friends, by your colleagues, or even it is asked in an interview as well. So how we have to use them, how we have to speak in that situation. If you are asked, tell me something about your family. So you may be asked, how many family members do you have? You can say that we are 10 family members, we are 5 family members, or you can say we are 4 family members, whatever family members you are. For example, if your father is in a profession, you can say my father is a teacher. My father is a teacher. Or if he is engineer, you can say my father is an engineer. If your father is doctor, you can say my father is a doctor. And then you have to tell about your mother. My mother is a businessman. My mother works in a bank. Or you can say my mother is housewife. Then you have to come to your elder brothers as well as your elder sisters. For example, if your elder brother works in any company or any college, then you can say my elder brothers work in a company in Karachi. Or you can say my elder brother studies in university. And you can say my elder sister is married if she is married. Or if she works, you can say my elder sister is a manager in National Bank of Pakistan. Or you can say my elder sister studies in a college. Then you have to come about your younger brothers and sisters. My younger brothers studies in school. My younger sisters go to school. They study in one class, in other studies in 3 class. And then you can tell about yourself as well. For example, you can say I'm a student, I'm on number 3rd, or you can say I'm on number 4. Okay, or you can say I am the younger brother of my siblings. These are the situations where you can improve your speaking English. For example, take any situation, whatever you would like to discuss about. You can talk about a rainy day in your city. For example, it is raining. You can talk about rain. The weather is pleasant. You can talk it with your friends. You can talk about classroom. You can talk about your town. You can talk about the saddest moment of your life. You can talk about the happiest moment of your life. Okay, you can talk about what did you do at school today. You can talk about what did you do in your office today. See, these are the various situations, various topics to discuss. If you take any single topic at single day and practice with your friends, with your colleagues at your home or in classroom or outside of the classroom, see the improvements you will bring in your speaking skills. Why you are good at your Sindhi, Saraiki or Punjabi, Balochi, whatever your mother tongue is, why you are good at that language? Because you are practicing that language. So we discussed some of the sentences to talk about your family, and now we will discuss about the stock of words that are used in and family situations. And what are the words that are used in to talk about your family? So highlight those words. For example, mother, father, okay, husband, wife. A word which is used for both husband and wife. Which is that word? Spouse. If you want to talk about collectively about both of them, husband and wife, you can say spouse. And if you want to talk about collectively about your mother and father, you can say parents. For brother and sister, sibling is a word that can be used for both brothers and sisters. Siblings. Parents for mother and father, spouse for husband and wife, siblings for brothers and sisters. Okay, elder brother and younger brother. See, remember these words. These words are really important for you all. Remember that without the use of words, you cannot speak. Words are just like bullets. You cannot fire without bullets. Similarly, you cannot speak without words, without a stock of words. And then, for example, you can say uncle. Uncle means brother of your father. And if there is a brother of your mother, you can say maternal uncle. Maternal uncle means brother of your mother. And wife of your uncle, aunt. Wife of your uncle, aunt. And wife of your mother's brother, that is maternal aunt. Maternal aunt. A sister of your father, you can call her paternal aunt. And similarly, the mother of your father or mother of your mother, you can call her granny or grandma. Granny or grandma. Similarly, father of your father, you can call him grandpa, or grandfather. Grandfather. You are the grandson of grandpa, grandson of your grandpa or granny. Grandson means you are now become grandson of your grandpa or grandmother. Granddaughter means now if you have a sister, then she is granddaughter of your mother's father or your father's father. Granddaughter. And cousin is used for your uncle's son. And remember that cousin brother and cousin sister is a wrong word. You cannot use this one. You simply use cousin for male and female for both of them. Cousin brother and cousin sister is the wrong word. And then there comes niece and nephew. Niece means the daughter of your brother. Daughter of your brother is called niece. And nephew, son of your brother. Son of your brother is called nephew. Now, for example, if your father has 2 wives, from that wife your father has a son and a daughter, then you can call them step brother and step sister. And if a girl or a boy, he or she is your colleague, and you lovingly call that sister or brother, then you can use suppose sister. Suppose sister or suppose sister or suppose brother means they are not actually their brothers and sisters, but you lovingly call them your brothers or sisters. ये जो हमने बात की वो थी बेसिकली हमने एक सिचुएशन ली. कौन सी सिचुएशन थी? फैमिली. उस पर हमने कुछ फ्रेजेस कुछ सेंटेंसेस प्रैक्टिस किए, देन हमने उसकी वोकैबुलरी पे डिस्कस किया. तो सिमिलरली आप कोई भी सिचुएशन ले सकते हैं और उस सिचुएशन की वोकेबलरी निकालें गूगल से, वर्ड से, डिक्शनरी से। आजकल मोबाइल डिक्शनरी एंड्रॉयड में बहुत ज़्यादा हैं, आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट, एंड उससे रिलेटेड वोकेबलरी ढूंढें और स्पीक करें। अगर आप एक टॉपिक के पे भी 10 से 12 मिनट रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस करते हैं 4 से 6 मंथ के पीरियड के दौरान, आप अपनी लैंग्वेज को बहुत इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं। सी, लैंग्वेज नीड्स योर प्रैक्टिस, so I would highly recommend you all to do practice this one. Okay, we will meet to another lecture. Till then, see you. Allah Hafiz.